Hello everyone, Scarlett here. It's been a while. So I just want to talk a little bit about the 2019 Infiniti qx50. So this car came in with a complete flat tire. The tire was junk. We replaced the tire. And then I go to reset the TPMS light, but there really wasn't anything that I could do. I took it on a test drive. The actual little TPMS light went out, but there was still a little triangle, and it was showing in red that the right front tire was still showing that it needed air, or should I say take to the dealer. But so the fix to this is you got to get the scanner and go on to the air pressure monitor on the scanner. And sorry guys, I'm driving. So you got to go onto the scanner, air pressure monitor, and read the codes, and then erase the codes, and then taking it on another test drive. And yeah, so it's gone. Just to put it out there for those that can't reset your TPMS light. But yeah, I wish I could show you guys the steps that I did, like the actual steps, but I couldn't, so because I was trying to figure out myself as well. So yeah, you need the scanner, go under TPMS, and then erase the codes, and you're all set and ready to go. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video, whichever video I make. Bye guys.